And we've had a lot of people ask how to get started selling ShineRanker with the $1 trial so that they can start earning money in an automated way with AI. Now, if you're brand new here, you've never seen any of my videos, you have no idea who I am, don't worry, you're in the right place. I just put together a full step-by-step video that I'm going to uncover for you today, how to get started for just $1 and how you can actually create a system that will work for you so you don't have to go and actually do all this stuff yourself. Because guess what? A lot of the AI stuff right now that people are doing is actually very, very complicated. And this system makes things very easy because essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using AI to build and close, well, build content and close leads for us while we sleep, okay? Now you can see here in January of 2017, I lived in a garage. I was making no money. I actually started this YouTube channel in this garage, and you can go watch those videos. If you go back to my oldest videos, you'll see me. I had no idea what I was doing. All the way up till this year in January, I made $215,000 in 1 month, and that was just on Stripe. We actually made another $100,000 on PayPal, and I'm not saying this to brag. I'm saying this so that you can know that it's possible to actually go from nothing to something, okay? And I didn't have anybody help me. I actually dropped out of high school, dropped out of college. I did pretty much all of this on my own. And again, that's not to brag. It's just to say that you don't have to be some super intelligent person to do this. You can get started today and you can start working towards really uncovering a lot of really cool stuff about you, as well as uncovering a lot of really cool stuff about how to earn money on autopilot with some of these systems, okay? So just to give you a little bit of information about me, I'm not going to show you my cars. This was my old presentation, but yeah, I got a car. Who cares? I grew up in a town called Santa Barbara. This is a forest I used to walk around. I was an only child. So I kind of just spent, time in the forest all day or playing video games. I lived in a mobile home, grew up in a mobile home. My dad died when I was about 16. He overdosed on heroin. I got kicked out of school, got actually sent to a sober living home because of the fact that I was having a hard time with prescription medication. And then I actually even wound up on the streets at one point. I was about 17 years old and I had no home, okay? I wound up getting like 3 jobs. I got a job at a cafe, at Starbucks, Radio Shack, and eventually I moved into this garage, tried to turn things around, and then wound up turning things around, okay? So again, this isn't about me, this is about you. I'm going to show you how you can go from getting like nobody wanting to buy anything from you at all right now to getting hundreds and hundreds of leads a day using automated profiles like this one. This is a Facebook page with only 80 followers, but you can see we're getting thousands and thousands of views on these videos. And again, today I'm going to give you a full walkthrough on how to do this. Now, I'm not the only one doing this. You can see this guy, Aaron, he's reposting my content, which is one way to do this system. You don't have to do that. You can actually use AI generated content or a combination of content that I actually give you along with AI generated content. We'll talk about that in a second. But you can see he's earning money and getting tons of leads just doing this system. Another guy, David here, $862 in commissions, reposting content. And then another guy here, AI Toolbox, getting 260,000 views on a video. This guy got started in the last 12 hours, 1.8 thousand views. Again, I'm not here to convince you of anything. I'm just going to show you how this works, and you can decide on how you want to, if you want to do it yourself, okay? So that's sort of the little introduction. Again, this isn't going to be a presentation. This is actually going to be a walkthrough. I went and recorded everything that you need to do to get started with this, all the buttons you need to click on, and you can determine, again, whether or not you want to use the system. But the cool thing about this is we are now using AI to completely automate and generate content that you don't even have to be in the videos. And so let me just show you here. It's a video I posted the other day. This video got 14,000 views. It's not even a video of me. This is an AI avatar that went and made this video. And again, I think you're going to be really into this system. I'll see you in the next part. All right, what's going on, everyone? Chase Renner here, and today we're going to be doing a guide on how to earn over $1,000 a day with AI generated video. Now, the cool thing about this is I'm going to actually be breaking this up into a few different steps where I'm going to show you everything you have to do to start getting content automated on social media accounts. And I'm going to show you how you can actually earn money promoting a $1 trial to a tool that's actually going to help you automate this process. And we're going to be using RANKER to do this. Now, I'm going to have this video on YouTube, but I'm also going to have it on the landing page for RANKER itself. And so if you're not on the landing page, you can go to shineranker.com, enter your info here, and then you can get started by clicking on the purple button below that says get started for just $1. Now, this $1 trial will give you a 14-day trial. And inside of the trial, you're going to be able to start generating content, and you're going to be able to start selling this actual trial. Okay, so let me show you what's going to happen once you sign up, and then we're going to go into how to get your affiliate link so you can actually promote this page and this funnel that I just showed you, and so you can start earning money selling this tool to people that want to actually earn money and get leads and views and followers creating AI generated content. So once you buy the $1 trial, you'll get taken to the sign-in page, and you're going to just go ahead and log in. And if you're already a member, you just click on this button. If you're signing in for the second time when you go to shineranker.com, but you can see there's a lot of tools in here. And really what we're going to be talking about specifically today is the AI video tools, okay? Now, a lot of these other tools in here are great tools to use, but they are more around website type things. If you're going to be doing search engine optimization on a website, some of these tools are helpful for that. For example, the audit will actually go and help you find what's wrong with your website. But again, we're not going to dive into the SEO stuff here. We're going to be talking more about the video. Now, just really quickly, let me show you kind of the newer features that we have in here. We have the AI chat. This will actually allow you to use ChatGPT without having to log into ChatGPT. We have the AI video editor. This will allow you to edit long form videos, meaning that you could take a video like this one, enter it in, and then you will actually get videos that you can use, short videos that you can use inside of places like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. And then we have the other video tools here, which will allow you to actually generate content in an automated way, okay? And so what we're going to actually be doing here is we're going to be creating lists of videos, okay? So what I've found works really, really well when you're doing content and you're doing specifically short form content, that means anything under 60 seconds, you want to be able to not just post a video on one platform, but you want to be able to post on multiple platforms, and you want to follow certain types of formats that you know are going to work. So for example, our main video generator tool here, what this tool does is it helps us build videos that are top fives. So if I go to the generator here, I can upload a list of websites, and then this tool will actually go and generate 5 videos, 5 short form videos that I can post on multiple platforms that are top 5 type videos, okay? And these videos work really, really well. We've been experimenting with these for a while on either new accounts or aged accounts. I'll show you, I even have friends that do this. If you look up top 5 websites on YouTube, this guy, Paul James here, I actually told him about this method. He started doing these types of videos. You can see he got 2.8 million views on this actual video. This guy got 20 million views on this video. And so these videos just work really, really well, and they're very easy to repeat. And so that's why we started building this tool where it'll actually allow you to generate these top 5 type videos. And so I'm going to show you how you can get set up with this so that you can start generating content very easily with this tool. And I'm going to show you how you can start making money, not just generating the content, but then sending traffic into a funnel that's proven to work, like this one, where you can sell dollar trials to the actual tool if people want to actually go and generate their own AI video content, okay? Okay, so before you actually generate video content, you will need a few different social profiles. Now, the best places to post short form content right now are places like Facebook and Instagram. mainly because these are still the two largest social media platforms in the world, and it's just easy to automate content on these platforms. TikTok is a little finicky. It's easy to get banned on that platform. And YouTube, you can get views, but YouTube just doesn't seem to like the automated content as much. In fact, you're not supposed to do automated content on YouTube. And so I try to stick to Facebook and Instagram as the main platforms that I post on. And again, we're doing short form content. So that means that when we're posting content, our goal is to do anything that's under 60 seconds of video, okay? And I'll actually show you what one of these videos looks like. I posted this on Instagram the other day, and it got, let's see, 12,000 views. Might actually be more if I refresh this page. But this video, yeah, 14,000 views, was not me. It was just a AI video, and a lot of the videos actually generated with RANKER, okay? So let me click on this and you can watch it.
The first website is Lexica Art. Lexica Dart is an AI-powered website that enables users to customize and generate a wide range of images in various styles. The second website is Buffer. Buffer is a comprehensive...
Now you can see here as well, I did do a boost. I think I spent around $50 on the boost. You can boost videos if you want. Basically, you're just getting them to more people. It's not necessary. You can still get a lot of views on these videos without boosting them. But if you want more leads, you know, you can obviously do that. The way you boost a video is there's a little dots on the bottom right of the video when you go on your phone. You click on boost, and then I just boost this to anybody that's interested in AI. Now, on the sidebar here, you can see there's all these people responding with the word yes. And this is actually how we can make money selling things. Because when we get our affiliate link, when we get our partner link, we can send people to the thing that we're selling, and we can get credited anytime they sign up for that thing. And so in pretty much every single one of my videos, what I do is I put an outro that says, if you'd like the full list of websites or you'd like to learn more about this, respond with the word yes, okay? Now, in order to do this though, I actually had to go and edit this video with CapCut, meaning that the intros and outros are not ready in RANKER yet. The current videos are just the top 5 websites, meaning that when you generate content, it'll look just like this.
The first website is Jasper AI. Jasper.ai enables team collaboration by harnessing the power of the top AI writer and art generator. The second website is the New York Times.
So right now you can see it's just the top website. So if you were just to post these videos on their own, you could definitely still get views, but right now it's more just for building views, and it's not as much for actually getting traffic yet, because of the fact that we don't have the outros. We actually are going to add this in probably the next couple of days. So by the time you actually see this video, we probably will have the outros. But essentially what you would do is you would select how many videos you wanted to create. You would choose a voice. You would enable subtitles if you want. I sometimes disable subtitles because sometimes you can see that they get a little bit off. You saw that one subtitle probably a second ago where it didn't have the subtitle completely correct. And then you're going to select a file of the top websites that you're going to actually be generating these videos from. And there's another tool inside RANKER that'll allow you to do this too. I'll show you that in a second. But then you'd click on generate, and these videos would start going, okay? Now, again, at this current moment, if you wanted to start adding intros and outros, you'd probably download the video by clicking on it, right-click, save as video, and then you would drag this into a tool like CapCut to go and actually edit the video and then add your intros and outros. But there's another way to actually get traffic right now with RANKER if you don't want to go and edit the videos yourself with what I'm showing you here. And I'm going to show you in a second how you can actually repost content that we've already created for you that's already proven to go viral. And that's going to make it a lot easier for you to actually get leads. But before we get into that, let me actually just go click on the back button here. And again, remember how I told you a second ago, if you want a list of websites, RANKER has another tool called a web scraper tool, where I can go and type in some sort of topic like AI tools, click on scrape, and then this will actually generate me a list of AI tools that I can then download and put into the video creation tool. But if you don't want to go and scrape a new list, what you could always do is head over to scarytoolbots.com and you'll get a list that looks like this. This is over 400 different tools that we've already compiled for you. You can download this list and you can upload this list into ShineRanker, and ShineRanker will automatically choose 5 of these websites at random, and it'll rewrite each of the descriptions and give you 5 websites like this when you go and click on the settings, media, and then you upload that file, okay? So that's sort of the basics to how the video generator works. Again, completely up to you on whether you want to generate your own file. You could also obviously create your own file just by adding these things in manually, where you'd have the website, the name, and then the description. And this will work for anything, right? It doesn't have to necessarily be AI. You could do this for real estate, whatever you want. The only thing is if you're going to be doing this for ShineRanker, if you're going to be promoting our dollar trial, then you should probably do something around top AI tools or top marketing tools, because you could go and sell ShineRanker as one of those tools. And so here you can see this is a list of the tools that we typed in or that we got for typing in AI tools. Okay. So in the next part of this, I'm going to actually show you how you can go and repost content that's already working if you don't want to go generate content like this. Now, before we actually go and do the other video creation technique, I do want to show you really quickly how to get a partner link for ShineRanker, because this is going to be the link that you actually promote. So when you're on ShineRanker.com and you click on the Get Started button and you enter your email, you're going to get taken to the video sales letter. So it's going to be ShineRanker.com/VSL. If you're watching this video on this page right now, you'll already be here. Now, when you click on this button, Get ShineRanker for just $1, you're going to get taken to a website or a system called ThriveCart. And ThriveCart is where you're going to actually get your affiliate link. So once you're on ThriveCart, you can see it says chaserunner.com/ThriveCart/ShineRanker deal. You're going to put partner at the end, and that's how you're going to actually get your partner link, because it's going to give you an option to either log into ThriveCart or sign up to ThriveCart if you don't already have an account. You're going to enter your info, enter your affiliate ID, create, and then you're going to get your product. So product here, ShineRanker deal, and then when you connect your PayPal to get so you can get paid out, you're going to get a link. You're just going to copy it, and that's going to be the link that you send people to. So by the way, when you go and grab your affiliate links after you sign up with PayPal, you'll have a few different options. If you want to send people just directly to the dollar page in ThriveCart, you can do this, and you'll actually get your commission just straight from this page. Or you can send people to the home page and then they opt in first. This is probably the best way to do it if you want us to close for you, because it'll be your affiliate link, but when they sign up to our email list, we'll go and close them with our emails and with the content I do and everything, and you'll get credited. And again, if you want to send them just straight to the video sales letter, you would do the VSL, and you would send them here so that they could watch the video first and then click and buy. Okay, so whatever you do, just make sure you decide on one of them, because obviously if you're going to be sending people to our pages, we'll close for you. Or if you're going to be doing it yourself and you're going to be sending links or sending traffic to a landing page first, if you want to capture their email opt-in and then send them to your own funnel with your own videos, then you would just add this as a button to the ThriveCart page, if that makes sense. Now, the way this works is that when you send people to this link, we're going to have it where it goes to the actual home page, okay? And so what happens is you're going to send people this link, whether they comment on your video or they watch your video, and you send them to that specific link, and they're going to see this page, except it's going to say /your affiliate ID. Now, when they click on this button, they're going to get put into our automation where we're going to close them on getting them set up with a dollar trial, but you're going to get credited when they sign up, when they watch this video and then they go sign up, okay? So that's how you get the link. And then once you have your link, you can start adding that to your content, okay? Now, if you want to do a shortened link, you could obviously do that as well. You could always use a website like Bitly or any sort of link shortener to actually make the link look less long if you're not happy with it. You could also always buy a custom domain on something like GoDaddy, and GoDaddy will actually allow you to forward that to your URL if you don't want to, just have a generic like Thrivecart URL. You could always do something like, bestaitool.com, and then that would forward to your affiliate link, okay? But either way, now you should have your affiliate link, and now when you start posting content, you start getting views, you can start earning money just by sending people that link. So this next part gets a little bit more tricky, and again, this is optional. We also have a setup service if you want us to set this up for you. If you go to dfysetup.com, you can just buy this setup if you click on get the content set up here, and we will actually just do all of this for you by selecting content setup. And then you can choose if you want the other stuff too, like you want your own CRM, your own funnel, you want a VA, you want us to hire somebody. But if you just wanted to get the content set up for this part, you can do it for $500. I'll show you how it works. Basically what we're doing here is we're going into a tool called Phantom Buster. We're going into an Instagram automation, and we're having Phantom Buster go and actually collect all of our content that has been posted on Instagram. So I have like years worth of content on Instagram that is already proven to work, videos with hundreds of thousands of views. And the cool thing is you can repost this content on places like Facebook or Instagram and still get views. And if you don't believe me, there's a few people right now on Facebook that are doing this. One of them is AI Tool Box. You should check him out. This guy has 24,000 followers, and all he's doing is reposting my content, and he's actually collecting leads from that content. So you could do the same thing, collect the leads, get anybody that says yes, because I always tell people in my videos, respond with the word yes if you're interested, and then you can actually send people the link to your affiliate with this content, okay? Now, how is he getting all these videos into his account, and how is he automating them? So again, what we're using something called Phantom Buster. We use a automation called Instagram Profile Scraper, I believe. Let me go double check on that. And what we're doing is we're collecting all of the information from an account, Instagram profile post extractor, and then we're getting a spreadsheet of all of the posts here, okay? Once we get a spreadsheet of all of the posts, we're downloading that spreadsheet, and then we're heading over to a tool called Radar, where we are making it so that we can go and schedule this content out. If we click on Publishing inside of Radar, click on the little airplane here, import, I can just drag this in. Now there's a few formatting things I have to do inside the videos to be able to do this, because I think default it won't pull. You actually have to select a few things. Maybe it will work. I don't know. It seems like there's an image, caption. So it might just work directly across like this. But you also have to go and set up your social media profiles as well, so that you're connected to your Facebook pages, Instagram pages. You can connect to groups. Groups works great as well. TikTok. There's all kinds of different connections you can do, but you can schedule out all this content every day to your different social media profiles, okay? Now, what I recommend is you can do a combination of reposted content like this. And again, remember, you get this content license. It's content that I've already created for you to help you promote ShineRanker if you're paying for ShineRanker. So as soon as you become a VIP on ShineRanker, you can go and repost this content and send people to the links in either the comments, or you could add outros to the videos with your links. Now, one of the other things you can do is you can stack these, right? So let's say you have 2 videos a day from reposted content going out, and then 1 video a day with AI generated content where you start adding outros and start doing more of the like your own type of content with the top 5 lists. Eventually, you're going to start getting a lot of traffic, right? And you can start warming up these accounts very quickly by doing this. Then you're just sending people the links, okay? So that's pretty simple, right? Because all we're doing here, remember, is we're step 1, we're getting a dollar trial to ShineRanker at shineranker.com. We're getting our partner link. we're creating some content, whether we're generating it ourselves or repurposing the content with something like Phantom Buster and Radar. And again, if you want us to set that up for you, it's just dfysetup.com. We'll go set up all of this, load it into your account, make sure everything's working. And then from there, there's a few other automations you can run as well. There's a tool called ManyChat that will actually automatically respond to your DMs for you or respond to your comments for you. I'm probably not going to get too into that today just because I kind of wanted to show you the basics to this system. But if you set up an automation inside ManyChat, you can actually have people go and, you can have your bots go and interact with the people in your comments. So anytime you get a comment with the word yes, you can have your bot send them a DM as well as comment with whatever you want it to comment with. And you can do this on Instagram and Facebook. Okay. Now, but just imagine if you were doing this with a ton of different profiles, right? We have multiple profiles right now that we're doing this with on Facebook, and we're automating a lot of these profiles, and you can have tons of pages like this going at once. And the cool thing about Instagram and Facebook is for some reason, it seems like they don't really mind if you use duplicate content like this, where the other platforms like YouTube and TikTok do care about that. So if you double down on something like Instagram and Facebook, you can see that you can just keep posting content like this, get a bunch of leads, send people into your partner link, and you can earn some serious money doing that. So click on the $1 trial and you'll be able to get started today, and you can start earning money with the $1 trial. Okay. We'll also offer you, one of the things I didn't mention in here is if you want us to build you a funnel for this as well, we'll actually go and replicate this funnel in your own account if you want to collect the leads instead of sending the leads to us. So kind of optional to you, but that's it. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you very soon. Till we do, happy money making. See you. Bye.